Hey guys, I wanted to do something a little bit different today. I wanted to share with you my favorite products that I absolutely cannot live without, and products that I wish I knew about sooner. And nothing that I'm talking about today is sponsored. I want you to know this is my personal products that I use, that I love. And I'm also going to share with you some of my healthy habits, some of the skincare that I use, and supplements. And yeah, so let's get right into it. And the first is my lip mask. This is by Lash. You might have heard of this. It's pretty popular and for good reason. This stuff is so good. I put it on every single day, and before bed I put on a decent amount, and in the morning I wake up and my lips are like butter. This stuff is so good. Like, you'll never use another chapstick again. It smells like berries. I don't know, it kind of smells like bubblegum to me, but this is the berry flavor. It's like, oh my gosh, I just love this stuff. It's so good. My girlfriend put me on it, and it's only fair I share. So this is really good. And I wear mascara almost every day, so my lashes have not been growing as healthy as they usually do. So I've been using this Grande Lash. You put it on like a liner on your lashes every night, and I mean, my lashes are so long. Like, I don't like wearing lash extensions or fake lashes, so I just invested in this product, and my lashes have been so much healthier, and they're really long, and a lot of people have noticed. So try this out, it's really good. Okay, this next one is really exciting. I don't know, like, if a lot of people know about this. I'm not really on TikTok. I mean, I kind of am, but not really. So hopefully I'm the first one to introduce you to this, because I am forever in debt for the person that introduced me to this. This is the Dennis Gross face peels. They are daily face peels, and you can tell I love this stuff because I got like the huge value pack. And let's just open it up for you. This is like the medium level. I think it's just the original. We use this every day, and there's like a two-step process to this. I'll show you. So it looks like this. And step one, exfoliate and smooth. So after you've washed your face, you use one side, and this stuff will make your cheeks and face a little bit red. And then after that, you put on the anti-aging neutralizer. Oh my gosh, you guys, this stuff, what this does to my skin is unbelievable. This has forever changed my skin. I mean, I have like baby soft skin. That is all because of this. And I am not someone who like goes and get chemical peels on my face. I just think that's a little like invasive and intimidating. So this is like the second best thing to do, and it's a little expensive, but it's totally worth it. And after you've used it for a while and it changes your skin, you can even start using it less, but it is so worth it. This stuff is so good. I cannot tell you how much I love it. If you go and use it, please let me know how it works for you. Everyone at Sephora I know raves about this. Like, this stuff is the holy grail for skincare. This is the best face oil ever in the world. It is called Drunk Elephant. And this stuff is so good. It makes your skin feel so soft and glowy, and I use it every night and every morning. I like to use it in the morning to use my jade roller with. If I woke up with like a puffy face, I will just like use the oil and this jade roller, and this stuff really, really, really helps. I mean, my skin is so soft and moist, and I definitely think this is the reason. You need to try this. I've tried a lot of face oils. I am a face oil girl, especially in the summer. I actually don't like to use moisturizer at all. I feel like a good oil will do me so much better. So I just use this, and I use it at the end of my skincare routine so that it like locks everything in. So I'll put like my serum and whatever junk else I put on, and then this will be the last thing I do, and it locks everything in. Okay, next thing is my deodorant. Listen, there's a lot online about aluminum deodorant. Some people say it's true, some people say it's false, but I prefer to go the safe route. I use a deodorant that does not have aluminum. I mean, it makes sense to me. It is really unhealthy to put like a metal underneath your armpit because we have a lot of hormones in our armpits. It's also close to our breast, and there are breast cancer links between deodorant and aluminum deodorant and breast cancer. So I went and tried every single deodorant that has no aluminum for you so that you don't have to try them all. And this is the best one. This is Native Deodorant. I really like this flavor. It smells really good. It smells like coconut, but it smells really good. And I know that I'm not putting anything dangerous on my skin, and it does pretty well as far as like sweat protection. It might not do as well as like those really strong ones with aluminum, but at least we know there's no aluminum, there's no parabens, and like I said, your armpits are a very sensitive area, so you just want to be careful. And worst case scenario, you might need to apply this twice a day if you go to the gym or sweat. This is something you probably want to reapply because it's not going to be as strong as those like prescription strength deodorants, but this works great for me and you should try it. Okay, the next thing I want to share with you is the collagen I love to use. This one is called Besha. So I do a lot of research before I put something in my body, and this had a lot of clinical studies. This company, I think it's German, I might be wrong, but it might be German. Yeah, made in Germany. And this stuff is so good. What I really like about it is that I don't have to use like a whole scoop to get its daily dosage. You only need 3 grams, which I believe is like, I don't know, half a tablespoon or a teaspoon. And I like to put it in my green tea every morning. I don't drink coffee, so I'll put this in my green tea every morning, and I know that it's really good for my joints, my hair, skin, and nails, and it's good for your gut, and it's good for liver detoxifying, and it's also good for your heart. So collagen is a really good and easy thing to incorporate into your diet if you want better hair, skin, and nails, and so much more. Okay, this next thing I'm gonna show you is a little scary looking, so don't be afraid. This is CMOS. I use this every day. This is a lot of minerals. It contains over 92 minerals and nutrients, which we probably cannot consume on our own. So this is a very healthy way to supplement. And collagen is really good for hair, skin, and nails. So is sea moss. Sea moss is also good for your heart, digestion, thyroid, metabolism, immune system, and it promotes good mood. So I like to make this myself every few months. I mean, I'll make like a small amount. I'll take some, put it in a bowl, soak it in water, and make me this like white jello paste that you cannot taste. And I put it in my protein shakes, and you cannot taste it at all, so don't be afraid or grossed out. but it's so much easier to just make it at home. There's not many places that sell sea moss in a jar, so it saves me a trip to just buy this natural product, make it myself at home, and it looks crazy when you're making it. It like expands in water and then looks like this scary monster, but it's so good for you. And yeah. Okay, so anyone that knows me knows that I carry this big bottle everywhere I go. I drink so much water, and let me tell you guys, the benefits of drinking water, you probably already know. It is so good for your skin. I mean, for me, it really helps with my like dark circles. I noticed that if I drink a lot of water, my skin is hydrated and plump, my lips are plumper and fuller, and it really helps me to carry this big jug around. If I don't and I just use regular small water bottles, I will not drink as much water. So yeah, you know what? I might embarrass people carrying this around all the time, but at least I'm more hydrated than they are. So this is a half gallon, and you can get a whole gallon if you can do a whole gallon a day. I try to aim for like 3/4. It's pretty hard to do in the winter, but now it is summer in California, so I'm able to drink my daily amount. And carrying a gallon bottle, I notice, is just like, it's a little heavy. So I like to carry this half gallon, fill it up twice, and I stay very hydrated. And okay, magnesium. Magnesium is a really good supplement. A lot of people are low on magnesium. If you do some research, you will see everyone is pretty much low on magnesium, and it's a really good thing to supplement. This is really good for your mental health, calms your body, it calms your mind, it's good for your muscle recovery. And I like to take this before bed, and this will kind of help me sleep better. I don't really have problems sleeping at night, but falling asleep sometimes can take a while. And I notice when I take my magnesium, I have a better night's sleep, which if you also know me, you'll know that I do not mess around with my sleep. I like to get 8 to 9 hours of sleep. I feel the best when I sleep. I look the best, I feel the best, I think the best. Sleep is very important, and so therefore I think magnesium is very important. Don't underestimate magnesium. Might as well show you guys the embarrassing sounds this makes. It's like a little bird has entered the building, but this is a cute little bottle. I'll also link down in the description where I got this one from. And lastly, oh wait, I forgot to tell you, collagen's like really good for gut health. If you want to work on your gut, which is so good for your skin too, so good for your mental health, collagen is the way to go. And I also want to recommend drinking kombucha. It does not taste very well at all, but kombucha is something I drink every day, and I feel like it's helped me so much with my tummy aches. And kombucha and collagen has changed my gut for the better. I couldn't recommend these two products more if you want to work on your gut health. Okay, so I also wanted to recommend Ashwagandha. This is a supplement that really helps you with your mental health as well as magnesium. This is really good for stress. If you have high levels of cortisol, which is your stress hormone, Ashwagandha is a natural supplement that works with your body to reduce that, and therefore helping you with anxiety. Also good for thyroid, blood circulation, inflammation. I take ashwagandha every day, especially around that time of the month, because my hormones can be all over the place. I can be a little bit emotional, and taking ashwagandha has really helped me. So if you want to take a supplement that's going to help you with anxiety or stress, and you would rather go the natural route, this is the way to go. I like to use any ashwagandha that includes black pepper extract. This will help enhance the absorption of the ashwagandha. And so when you're looking for an ashwagandha supplement, it's really important to find one that has black pepper extract. Another supplement from the sea is spirulina. This stuff is really good for you. It's high in antioxidants, so if you haven't had your vegetables, this is high in nutrients. On the days where I haven't eaten enough veggies or salad, I know that at least I'm taking this and I feel good about myself. This has a lot of anti-inflammation properties, anti-cancer properties, reduces blood pressure, and helps with allergies. Spirulina is a very healthy supplement to take, and this stuff is so gross, but if you can get past the fishy smell, this is something you want to take. You cannot glow up if your mental health is not in check. I recommend you journal, especially if you cannot afford seeing a therapist. Journaling is so good. It's like therapy with yourself. I use so many different kinds of journals. I use the school book ones. I mean, I go through these really quick because I do like to consistently journal. This is like really old school, but you know, I just like this because the pages are short and it's not overwhelming. I can meet my daily habit of journaling every day with this because, like I said, the pages are not that long. So anyway, I really enjoy journaling when I have a bad day. I just spend a few minutes just writing my feelings, and then something funny happens when you write your feelings down. It kind of like, you write it away. You write it off and you feel so much better after. Always when I journal, I notice the first few lines are gonna be like me venting, and then by the time I'm at the end, I feel so much better. I am manifesting, talking about the positive things in my life, things that I'm grateful for, and I couldn't recommend journaling enough. Again, journaling is something everyone should do if they want to glow up. You need to glow up with your mental health. If your internal self is not feeling well, no matter what you do on the outside, you're not gonna feel good. You could have the best skincare routine, but if you're stressed out and having anxiety, your skin's probably not gonna look that good because you're not gonna sleep well, you're not gonna eat healthy foods, you just fall apart. So working on your mental is so important, and hopefully I can convince you guys to start journaling and join me on this healing journey. All right, well, hopefully something here is a game changer for you as it was for me. Please let me know down below if you do start using anything. I'd really like to hear about how it works for you. And like this video, subscribe, and I'll see you soon. Bye.